Buddy Brian back here with a look at Kaspa. All right, we've made this move up here. We're going to take a look at a couple of things, see if a correction could be over here. And we're going to dig into this chart in a second. Hope everybody is having a great day out there. Obviously, the crypto market has been flying and got lots of stuff popping here. If you look over to the right-hand side here, coins that haven't moved for a long time, actually, Look at NVIDIA. Boy, this thing, I covered this thing well, not quite a bit, but I had a target up here for this thing out on the weekly here. You can see the Fibonacci, $731. It passed that. Now it's heading up towards this 969 level. Unbelievable. This thing, if you go back to the beginning of this thing, look at these gains. Let's go out in a monthly here. I just got to show you this because this is absolutely insane. NVIDIA, back here, look what this thing cost. Just to give you an idea. Right here was 58 cents. 58 cents. Over here, 16 cents. 16 cents for NVIDIA. Can you imagine? Unbelievable. And look what this thing has done. Let me show you the gains on this real quick. Reminds me of crypto, Let's go with 68 cents. And right up there to the top. Look at that. That's unbelievable. 115,290%. That is incredible. What is that? A 1,152x or something? It's unbelievable. It really is. That is incredible. That let me think here. What is that? That's an 1100x. Unreal. From 30 some cents up to 781. Unbelievable. But we got Filecoin over here flying. We got a bunch of stuff that we cover over here going pretty good. Looks like Bitcoin might be making another attempt up here. Look at Wild here, 34. How much is that token? $8.53. I'm looking at sinking some more money into a couple more cryptos. I got my Kaspa pretty stacked up. Unless we get a big pullback add-on. Speaking of, guys, please, if you're interested, man, go sign up and get over into our Discord. It is unbelievable over there. I was in there almost all day yesterday. I think we have 94 members now or something. Go sign up for a level 3 membership. Get you 9 hours worth of videos, 20 plus videos, and get you into our Discord to go make some of these trades over there. Unbelievable, man. Everybody's been doing pretty well. You can see all of our new people here. Quite a bit of new people. I have a Discord link now that never expires, so if you've had any trouble getting in there, go back in your membership, get in the Discord, and come over and join us. We got a lot of great people over there, a lot of good traders, some big guys that have some serious money in their accounts, guys that know what they're talking about. So noted traders over there a lot. I see him in there quite a bit. I see a lot of guys over there. So yeah, please come on over and join us, guys. Sign up. You'll make the $15 back in minutes in a trade. I love it. It's leverage trading over there. So please, if you do go sign up, use my MEXC link. I'll put a description. I'll put it in the link in the video description. So yeah, check it out, guys. We're doing very, very well. I wouldn't lead you wrong. I want to see people do well in this market. We have a bull run coming up, chance to make a pile of money. So 24-hour liquidations, 120.6 million, down 41% from yesterday. Open interest, look at that, 50.7 billion. That's up 3%. And the 24-hour volume for the crypto market, 136.4 billion. That's down 8.18%. We have 50.41% long in the market and 49.59% short. All right, if we come over here to the Block Explorer and take a look here, these are live transactions right here. Petahash is down a little bit today, 157.5. It's kind of odd, but yeah, I had one guy over in the trading group yesterday asked me to take a look at his portfolio, and I was pretty impressed with the amount of Kaspa he had. I gotta admit, I was kind of envious. I wish I had that much. Yeah, he's pretty stacked. If this thing goes $3 to $5, he'll do very, very well. But anyway, I don't. People's portfolios are their own business, so I don't say any names or anything like that. That's not right to do that. So, sharks. The last 24 hours we're down 3. We're down 1 whale in the last 24 hours. Last 7 days we're down 2 whales, down 1 humpback, but that became an Aquaman. Then you can see pretty much green for the rest. Everybody else, nothing big here. What is that? Minus the 1 humpback, which became an Aquaman. We only have 4. 2 sharks and 2 whales in the last week make any movements here. But I wouldn't suspect anybody, I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I wouldn't take any profits on this thing for a long time, unless you're really deep into it and you just want to get your money, your initial investment back out and ride the rest. Maybe I could see that, but I wouldn't be taking any profit yet on this thing. I think Kaspa's got a long, long way to go. All right, let's move in here and take a look at this thing real quick. Bitcoin getting very, very close to that 702. We've talked about this forever. Look at this. Just right there. So close to it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and see what it's doing here. Obviously, we need to have an alarm set on that 702 for when it hasn't hit it yet. It hit 53,000, but just hasn't hit like 53,050 or something is the 702. Now the monthly RSI is still at a 100 and a 100. The weekly still heading up, 72 and a 49. We have a green candle on the weekly here, kind of an indecisive candle here. A mix, buyers and sellers, pushing here. It's right in the middle. Kind of indecisive candle. The daily is pulling down. Boy, look at these wicks. Unbelievable. I love seeing that. You know what that is? That's people, when the price is pushing down, that's people, looks like buying up maybe. That's where you get them long wicks. Price starts here and pushes up. People, you got green in here, buyers, and on top it would be sellers. Here's a one that kind of just worked out on the daily, kind of in the middle there between the buyers and sellers. Looks like you're having more buyers today than sellers. So you can see this wedge here forming up on this thing. The 12 hours at the bottom, look at this. It's trying to get back in that wedge. All right, the closer we go down on the time frame, the more clearer it will get here. We're going to zoom in here pretty good and see what's going on here. All right, the 8 hour is on the bottom. So you got the 8 on the bottom, the 12 on the bottom. The 4 is bullish, a 57 and a 41. Look at that. It's getting right back up in there. This is kind of a mess through here with all these wicks and candles. But, did this thing ABC here? Let's take a look on the 1 hour. Looks like an ABC right there. Let's see. got a wick up to that 702. Yeah, that's definitely an ABC in there. That's an ABC correction for sure right there. You know, you got your ABC going sideways here. Getting right back up into that wedge though. You know, watch this thing break out the top side. You know, you like I said, you got the 12 on the floor, 12-hour RSI just turning up. It's an 18 and a 13. It's bullish. That 8-hour is right on the 25 and a 23. It's bullish, trying to head up here. You can see on the RSI here, it's trying to break out here. We got lower highs here on here. Let me see if it's any. No really divergence here, just lower highs. And then on the 4-hour, you're bullish heading up. So Bitcoin trying to make a move up here. You know, that right up here, that 53,000, 53,057 basically is the 702. So keep an eye on Bitcoin. You know, this thing goes up, obviously everything else is going to make a move. Look at that candle just wicked out of there as I'm making this video. We'll see what happens here. All right, let's go over to Kaspa and take a look at this thing. All right, yesterday on Discord, we were looking at this, trading this. You can see right here on the 4-hour, I posted in Discord that Kaspa was going to ABC, and I put this blue line as the bottom. And look at that, perfect ABC in here. This thing ended up right here. Okay, coming up. Whoops, sorry about that. Then you pull it down on top, and there's your ABC right here. You know, for those of you out there that want to learn this stuff, you know, go pay $15 and get the course, guys. It's worth it. It really is. It's worth more than that. I got to generate income. I'm a small YouTuber, so I need every bit I can get here. So there's your B leg right up here. This green candle right there. We're going to bring the top of the A down on top of the B. Right there. Whoops. Right there's your target. Right here. And you can see this candle wicked down there and got it. Right here. And that was the bottom. That would have been a perfect long. I was on the road last night. I should have put an entry in for this down here. I knew it was going to come down here, and it did. And you know, it ABC'd right down there. Alright, so that usually signifies a bottom. Alright, so you got your ABC right here. Okay, now we're obviously starting up here. Now if we come in here, the 4-hour RSI right on the bottom and heading up, 23 and a 17. The 8-hour on the bottom, beautiful. 12-hour, just about reset, okay? And your daily is still correcting, and the weekly is still pushing up. All right, so expecting more out of Kaspa here. If we look at this thing, if we come out on a daily, all right, and we come over here, we got some price targets here. That first one we still haven't hit. All right, and actually we do pretty well on this channel with targets. We really do. Kind of, you know, pretty happy with the Kaspa videos that we've done and the price targets we've looked for. We've hit a lot, guys. You know, and you guys that have been here with the channel, you know, and it's not me. It's not like I'm a wizard, like I have a crystal ball or something. I use the tolls. The tolls tell me the prices, and they're right. They're constantly right. All right, so this first target is 19.3. all right, if we break through that, the next target up here is 25.5 cents. The next one up after that is 31.7, and then we got 35.5 cents. All right, so this thing, especially on a weekly, but this weekly RSI turning up, you know, you're going to expect a move out of this thing. Now, we do have some bearish divergence down here on the weekly. All right, we're going to have to talk about that right here. So far, we do. Okay, now if Kaspa goes and blasts up here to 30 cents or something and takes us out, all right, we got lower highs on the RSI and we have higher highs on price. Okay, now do we have any, what about on the daily? No bearish divergence. 12-hour. This high, let me see here. little bit. We have this high and we have a lower high here. All right, not major bearish divergence, but there is bearish divergence there. 8 hour, kind of like the same deal here. Pretty. I'm not gonna say there's any bearish divergence there, but look how far down this is. Kaspa looks like it. The 8 hour is down at a 59. The 12 hour is down at a 66. The daily's at a 71, and the weekly's at a 74. Man, oh man, this thing can really make a move here. Especially, look at that 4 hour. Look how oversold. Look how it's way down here. All right, way down here. You know, I mean, it's down at a what 52. This thing, it's gonna make a move. It's gonna make a run at that 19 cents. I believe that. All right, so keep your eyes open, guys. Watch for Kaspa. We got all these RSIs setting up for a move. The ABC is complete. That should mean that the down move on here should be corrected, and we should be ready for a move up. So watch for 19 cents next. All right, we take out 19. What was the next one? 25. Let's see here. Let's put this back on here. Please hit the like and subscribe too, guys. I'd appreciate that very much. Yeah, the one after that's 25 cents. So if we take out 19 with conviction, if we get above there to 20 to 21, then watch for 25 to come in. All right, thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, everybody. Welcome to all the new members. I appreciate it so very, very much, guys. Get over in Discord and start making some money. If you never used leverage, please learn. Don't go over there throwing money around with 50x leverage. Start out with 3x, 4x, 5x, something small. All right, listen, watch them guys over there. Watch the trades they post. It's pretty awesome to watch. I love it. Have a great day, everybody.